There. This is Noah's entertainment for the day.
Put him in a chair and he'll slide around your house.
Okay, come this way. Come this way. Whoop! There you go. Okay, go. He's so happy. He's got a smile on his face. Look, you're gonna get caught on the carpet. There we go.
Banana? So funny.
Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Let's come back this way. Come on.
Bree.
Oh.
He's like, I can walk with this.
Look, I'm like Brianna. Look at his pants. Oh.
He's getting better walking with things though, eh?
Oh yeah, way better.
Move with it.
Look, Noah, kitty cat.
Other than just standing there
Kitty
and
cat.
go forward. That's good.
He's pushing. You're stuck, little buddy.